Edelbrock is excited to expand its successful e-froce Supercharger line for 2011. And GM consumers will see new systems for the 2005 to 07 LS2 equipped Corvette and 2006 and later Corvette Z06. True to the Edelbrock name, these Supercharger kits provide a bolt-on power upgrade and great value. They contain everything needed for installation on your vehicle. Every piece of hardware, every hose, and every wiring harness is included in the box. That means no trips to the hardware store, no need for custom tuning, just follow the detailed instruction manual and bolt it on. These complete systems mean you can literally install an e-froce Supercharger kit and have it running the same day you receive it. Edelbrock e-froce Superchargers feature the 2.3-liter TVS rotor group manufactured by Eaton. The TVS represents the cutting edge of technology in the world of supercharger design. They are the same rotors used on the ZR1 Corvette. They feature a 4-lobe configuration and a full 160 degrees of twist. This improves both volumetric and thermal efficiency, meaning that with each revolution, the maximum airflow is achieved with a minimum of effort from the engine and with minimum temperature rise in the charge air. This results in more horsepower to the ground more consistently. These new rotors also operate quieter than any other rotor group on the market, so there is no annoying whine, gear rattle, or other undesirable NVH. Inverting the supercharger and orienting the outlet upward allows for a long, smooth intake runner path with minimal bends. Just like in a normally aspirated intake manifold, longer runners maximize low-end torque. Edelbrock, known for intake manifold design, goes one step further and designed an interlaced cross-runner pattern, resulting in a full 12 inches of runner length with no sharp bends. Conventional supercharger systems bolt an off-the-shelf supercharger assembly on top of a manifold designed to fit the engine. In contrast, our unique inverted design is integrated into the manifold, creating a unique custom-engineered system for each application. In addition, the e-froce design incorporates a front drive front inlet setup. The front drive eliminates the need for a jack shaft, which is known for belt alignment and maintenance issues. The front inlet allows for a straight, smooth air path directly into the supercharger, resulting in far less restriction than conventional rear inlet systems. All this performance fits nicely under the factory hood, without vehicle modification or compromising performance. This is particularly unique for the Corvette applications, as all other positive displacement superchargers require you to purchase a new hood and have it painted to match the vehicle. This gives the e-froce kit considerable cost advantage while maintaining a stealthy external appearance. Also included in most systems is a high-flow intake system, which retains vehicle emissions legality and improves the airflow path. The Edelbrock e-froce system includes an integrated bypass valve, a vacuum-actuated throttle plate that divides the inlet and outlet plenums of the supercharger. Under normal driving conditions, when horsepower demand is low, the valve is held open by manifold vacuum. This equalizes the pressure before and after the supercharger rotors, minimizing any parasitic power losses associated with pumping air. This means that as long as the valve is open, the engine does not use any more fuel than it would if the supercharger were not installed, so your long commute to work will still use the same amount of gas as before. When you step on the accelerator pedal and the throttle body opens, the manifold will lose vacuum and the bypass will close. This allows all intake air to pass through the supercharger rotors, building positive boost pressure in the plenum. What makes the Edelbrock bypass unique is its integration into the supercharger housing. e-froce superchargers have a self-contained oil system with 100,000-mile service interval. This means that there is no oil plumbing to worry about and no drilling and tapping of oil pans like with centrifugal supercharger kits, which can leak and result in engine failure. Edelbrock superchargers include a handheld programmer with fully mapped calibration. The programmer allows you to flash the tune directly to your vehicle's PCM through the OBD diagnostic port under your dashboard. Our calibrations are painstakingly developed specifically for your vehicle in Edelbrock's in-house engine dyno laboratory, on our in-house chassis dyno, and on the road. They are tested in various driving conditions, including hot weather, cold weather, and high altitude, and are of OEM level quality, meet 50 state emission standards, and maintain all factory electronic throttle safety features. The programmer also offers customization options to correct your speedometer for different wheel and tire sizes or gear ratios. We even provide calibration updates free of charge at www.edelbrock.com. Last but not least, Edelbrock supercharger kits include peace of mind. Edelbrock backs this product with an available supplemental warranty that ensures zero risk when installing the system on your brand new vehicle. This is made possible by Edelbrock's commitment to made in the USA quality and the rigorous standards Eaton places on its TVS rotors. In addition, the system is designed to comply with emission standards in all 50 states for all model years. If a higher level of performance is your goal, Edelbrock also offers competition kits. These kits are a pared-down version and customizable for purpose-built engines. These kits are an outstanding option for drag racing, road racing, and other off-road applications.